sun. With a wiggle and a giggle, oh what fun. Oink oink, little piggy, happy as can be, playing in the meadow, so wild and free. Little piggy wakes up with the morning light, stretching out his little legs, ready for the day so bright. In the field he sniffs around, looking for a treat, with his snout to the ground, finding something sweet. He splashes in a puddle with a joyful squeal, mud on his little nose, oh what a thrill. Underneath the shady tree, Piggy takes a rest, dreaming of his favorite things, feeling warm and blessed. Friends come out to play with him, a duck and a sheep. They chase and race around the farm until it's time to sleep. As the sun begins to set, Piggy waves goodnight, snuggled in his cozy pen until the morning light. Oink oink, little piggy, dancing in the sun, with a wiggle and a giggle, oh what